Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz, as we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news that orders for American durable goods climbed almost 2% in January, and by the most in a year, exceeding forecasts and showing companies are planning to expand capacity as they look beyond the budget impasse in Washington. Bernanke has just finished testifying at a House Finance Subcommittee, and he was upbeat about US economic prospects. He said that from here on out, inflation may rise slowly. He said savers can't expect great returns, though, until the recovery is in full swing. That is, interest rates will stay low and below inflation. Pimco's Bill Gross warned asset price irrationality is rising after years of record low benchmark interest rates by the US Fed. The level of asset prices signal investors should be cautious, and the degree of irrationality is about 6 on a scale of 1 to 10, and rising, he said. In China, almost half of their provinces are setting their growth sights lower in the wake of the central government's emphasis on the quality of expansion over speed, a sign of an increased focus on tackling rising debt. In Europe, the political deadlock in Italy deepens, but markets are seeing this in a broader perspective. But Italy's borrowing costs rose sharply. Still, the government sold all the bonds on offer in the first test of its ability to borrow money long-term after the election. Spain announced a reduced budget deficit close to EU targets. In Australia, Cyclone Rusty closed ports handling 43% of the world iron ore exports and delayed as many as 74 ships. The storm may interrupt mining. It's an event that could affect the Aussie economy. The Kiwi dollar ends the month at 82.3 US cents, near its lows of the year, 80.7 Aussie cents near its lows of the month, and the TWI is at 75.3, also a monthly low. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.